Okay. Nike and them Oompa Loompas in Willy Wonka's factory went dumb on these. Let's check it out. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefert. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, we are looking at another early pair of sneakers for 2021. I'll tell you right now, we are looking at some dunks. The dunks that we actually will be looking at is the Nike Dunk Low SE in the free 99 colorway. Man, this year has been so crazy. Like, literally, I didn't think I was gonna get a lot of dunks this year, but it's looking like we're getting tons of them. And on top of that, I'm really enjoying bringing these early content for you guys. So I really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys do show. And with that said, I'm really excited because based off of official images from this sneaker as well, this literally looks like something that Willy Wonka and Nike literally made together. Nike, are you and Wonka out here making collaborations together? Are you? Now, with all that said though, let's get straight into the review. Couple things though I do want to go ahead and actually announce. We recently just hit, cancel the music. We recently just hit 400 subscribers on the channel, and I just want you guys to know that I really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been continuously showing on the channel. Just give me a hug. Give me a hug. Guys, I really appreciate you so much. If you haven't already, make sure you do like the video, subscribe, because it really helps out. I just want you guys to know that sometimes I'm very speechless, and I always feel like I say the same things, but it's just because I really don't know what else to say other than thank you. So thank you so much. We are currently on the goal to 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'm getting nervous because I think we're gonna do it. I'm gonna be real. I think we're definitely gonna do it. We are definitely gonna do it. I'm getting really nervous, so I just want you to know, like, thank you seriously from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So with all that said, let's look straight into these beautiful Nike Dunk free 99. First things first though, if you are new to the channel, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing, and I always like to match it with a headband, so I'll be right back. All right, I am back. As you can see, the headband of choice for this review is going to be white, and I will actually explain to you why I chose white. So let's get straight into this unboxing. Box, your time has come. Let's get our knife right here. Ooh, look at this fancy knife. All right, not really, it's not really fancy. Really quick too, if you guys know any knives that I can find, because sometimes when I do the unboxing, sometimes like I use these regular, like, ugly knives. I want to get some like pretty cool knives, that way it makes the the review a little more special. So we're gonna go straight into it right here. I was able to go ahead and receive these from Goat. These actually will be releasing, they haven't released in the US just yet. They will be releasing, from what I've been seeing, it is going to be June 4th. There's actually two versions of these that is coming out. There is the white version, which we're looking at today, and there is the black version that will be releasing on June 8th, so definitely check that out. If you go on GOAT, like the secondary markets, GOAT, StockX, you can actually find them. And I'm gonna stop talking now so we can actually review these beautiful shoes, okay? So let me go ahead and peel back the first lid, peel back the second lid, and peel back the little side lids. As we go ahead, we do have our little tissue paper. Gonna go ahead and put that to the side. Man, I'm getting, oh, I kind of cut it a little bit. Not too bad though. Man, that knife was sharp. And as we go, here they go, right here. Here they come in your regular Nike box. Nothing fancy, all red box with the Nike logo in the middle, very clean. I'm gonna go ahead and read the size tag for you guys. So this is the Nike Dunk Low SE. We do got white, LT chocolate, Rome green. I did get a 10.5, and this is a size 12 in women. SKU code is right there as well. Gonna let you guys go ahead and check that out. And the retail, from what I've been seeing for these, is $110. Like I said, there is two versions of these coming out. There is a white version, which we're looking at today, and there is a black version. So I'm gonna be quiet now so we can go ahead and dive into these beautiful, amazing, immaculate sneakers. Let's see if the hype is real for these. So unboxing, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it right. I'm gonna do it right. Haven't even seen them. I'm gonna do it really right. want to get a different perspective for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna peel back the box a little bit. I can already see them, they look beautiful. I can already see them, they look clean. And without further ado, let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. Oh, snap, okay? Okay? Okay, Nike? Okay, Nike and Willy Wonka? I see, oh, hold on. This is the Go sticker, the verification. Let me put this on the side right here. Let me go ahead and peel this back right here. Oh, it comes with extra laces? Let's go! It comes with extra laces! Oh my god, okay, I know I said the Spartan Greens are my favorite dunk of the year, but oh man, I might have to go back on that maybe. I might have to go back on that. Okay, so here they go right here. These are the Nike Dunk Low SE Free. Oh, look at the insole. That's not, all right, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Here they go right there. Bro, these are sick. These are so cool. Okay. Let's go ahead and review. Let's review, which one's better for you guys? Let's do the left, okay. So starting off from the left, as you can see, we're gonna go off with the outsole. We do have a tan outsole right there, very clean. You do have the Nike logo right there. And then as we work our way up, we do have the white, marshmallowy white midsole. Man, these are beautiful. Coming up to like the toe box, we have a white plush toe box. Going to the upper, it's white all around as well. Then we do have hit of yellow. We got, look at the swoosh. So there's that chocolate, like the code was saying, the style code. Then we have red at the back. Looking towards the heel of the shoe, we do get hit with the Nike logo right there. Look at the Nike logo is the logo is white, and then you do have blue, which kind of goes kind of up of the shoe as well. Turning around, we do have, like I said, there's that white, beautiful plush toe box. Then you get hit with your green laces. Oh, dude, this sneaker is so cool. This is a cool sneaker. Then as you go to your Nike tag right there, you do have a yellow tag with that, is that chocolate brown? Yeah, you do have that brown Nike logo right there. As we look at the insole. Look at the insole for this sneaker. Look at the insole. It says free 99 in there. I hope y'all can see that. Free 99. There's nothing on the inside of it normally, like you know how like there'll be like some lettering in there. There's no lettering right there, but dude, these are sick. These are sick. Nike, I'm calling these, honestly, forget the free 99s. That's a cool name. I'm calling these the Willy Wonkas. I'm calling these the Nike Dunk Low Willy Wonka. That's what I'm calling. I don't care what no one says or if they're gonna bash me. But then they go right here though. These are clean, man. These are honestly straight up fire. They kind of remind me a little bit. They kind of remind me just a little bit of the Nike Dunk What Does. Not the actual like all the different colors I have with it, but you know how they have those designs where they have like, you know, different mismatched colors. I love that as well. Here, that's the left. Let's look at the right. Here we go. Man, this is a very creative sneaker. This is a very creative sneaker. I saw these and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pick them up. I saw people on Twitter, because official images came out for these. People on Twitter were talking about the clown 99s. Like people were just trying to roast this shoe, but actually getting them in hand, I gotta admit, they're actually clean. These are fire. These are fire. Look at the laces. Look at the left laces. You have yellow. I can't talk. I can't talk. Dude, this is amazing. These are clean. I'm not trying to just add hype to it. These are honestly really amazing. You got green laces on the left, then you have yellow laces on it. You got the free 99. Look at the, pay attention to the detail. You got laces, look at the lace, the end of the laces right there. There's different colors. I don't know if you guys can see that. You got different colors on there. Nike back, man, this is fire. This is a phenomenal sneaker. Gotta admit, this is a very phenomenal sneaker. Nike, you did amazing with these. Nike and Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka, you did great, man. Nah, I'm just being real. But Nike, you guys did a really great job with these. Man, I honestly would double up on these. I really would double up on these. I think this is a sneaker that I actually would probably like hang, you know, hang somewhere. See the background right there? really fire. Like I said, you can find these over on StockX or Go. I haven't really checked StockX. I know for a fact Go. I paid $200 exactly for these. Not too bad. Like I said, these do release June 4th, and then there's also a black pair that does come out, which I will post right here that you can see, and that releases on June 8th. But my lord, I'm sorry, I love doing sneaker reviews. I love doing sneaker reviews. This is something I just enjoy so much, and I just really appreciate you so much, you guys, for pulling up. I really do mean that. These are amazing. These are really amazing. So comment down below really quick and tell me, are these a sneaker that you're really gonna be going for the month of June? Actually, for 2021, is this a must have? I think for me, I'm being 100% honest. I think for me, these are a must for me. I really do. I really do think these are a must. If you're a person that you like, you know, like art, this is like an art piece. If you like art, definitely get these. Like I said, on GOAT, they're not going for too much either. You know, check them out. Something that's very interesting. These are definitely fire. So there they go right there, guys. The Nike Dunk Low SE Free 99. Comment down below and let me know. So all right, ladies and gents, this is gonna conclude the review of the Nike Dunk Low. Amazing Nike Dunk Low Free 99 in the white version. Let me know down below if this is a sneaker that you are wanting. I will go ahead and give you guys an on-feet review right away for these, right now actually, and just let me know, is this a cop? Is this a pass? Do you like the Willy? Do you like the Willy Wonka free 99s? Man, I'm literally gonna be using that joke for a long time. But no, definitely comment down below, let me know. I really would like to hear it. I'm gonna go ahead and also give you guys a really quick overview of these real quick. So I'm gonna give you guys some, some video so you can see it. Check that out. These are so flame. These are so flame. I'm sorry. Like, especially, I don't even have like sneakers like this in my collection. So this is very special to me. So like I said, comment down below. I know I'm rambling, but let me know how you feel about these. So guys, this is basically conclude the video. I really hope you guys really do appreciate it. Like always, this is your kid Nephrite. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for the 400 subscribers. I promise you, more is definitely coming on the way. Just give me a chance. Just give me a chance, and I promise you, I will show you. I will really show you I can put in the work for you guys. With all that said, I love you guys. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. At the same time, remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.